Zero sugar, zero tolerance, healthy boundaries. I've been on meetings that could have been emails, added into another group chat I couldn't leave, and yes, to a baby shower that I didn't want to go to. If you're like the old me, congrats. You're in a toxic relationship with the word yes.
Pulling on your strings, hiding all my sins.
I've learned that saying no saves precious time and energy that we can never ever get back.
Like you wanna kiss.
Here's 5 subtle ways on how I say no.
I see you.
The Zen Master. Thank you, but that doesn't align with my current vibe. I'ma stay away from that.
I feel you.
The Busy Pre-Planner. I'd love to help, but I also pre-planned insert your excuse here, like rewatching your favorite film on Netflix. The Corporate Professional. After careful review, I regret to inform you that I cannot commit to at this time. The Mysterious Villain. I really must decline. I've made arrangements. Who is the Darkness?
A ball bit on a string, you're part of my.
The Better Luck Next Time. It's a no for now, but thank you for the opportunity.
I do hear the rain when you feel my fingers.
Hi, I'm Iso. It's actually been a while since I got to talk to you guys. I am actually nervous because this makeup is going to be a little bit different from what I usually am used to. So for this dark feminine energy makeup, I already did my skincare and a little bit of base. As you can see, I also have some lashes on. I'm going to start with a blush. I'm using the Rare Beauty in the shade Encourage. So it's kind of a purpley shade. Oh my, that is dark. I usually go for pinks or reds, so this is going to be interesting. Next, we're gonna do some eyeliner because nothing screams unavailable more than eyeliner. I'm using the Heroine Make eyeliner. I wish I had this in black, but I only have a brown one. So I am scared to do this. I'm not sure if I'm even doing this right. Just a small flick, okay. I'm not used to having really long lashes, so I put on long but kind of sparse, thin lashes because I know that if I put long plus thick lashes, it's gonna close down my eyes. So oh my goodness, I hope it looks balanced out. I am wearing something, guys. I'm wearing a black tube that can't be seen in here. I'm just gonna powder very lightly. Now we're gonna add contour. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow. There. Okay, let me put some highlights first in here because I love to put highlight. Even if we're trying to achieve like a dark makeup today. Contour here on the side of my nose, so we can bring it back, and down here as well. And I'm gonna also put at the side of my cheeks because we want to look like a villain. I'm trying to have strong features, so this is my inspiration for the makeup look I'm going for. I want it to look darker but still wearable. And lastly is putting a lip color, so I'm gonna go for this dark bloody red. There. Just in the middle though. Okay. This is as dark as it can get, but I ordered some hair extensions, so I'm not sure if this is gonna make a difference. This is my first time to put on hair extensions, so let's see. Like that. Okay, there are 6 of these. 5. Quite easy to work with. Oh my gosh, it's slipping. Tuck them in well. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I put it on top of my hair, but oh man, I look so funny. I look so funny. This is not what I expected. Ow. It's falling. It's falling. It's falling. So this is how it looks like right now. I think it's a total fail. I'm not gonna even... Okay, I'm back, you guys. What a traumatic experience. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna try a second attempt of putting this on. Half my hair like this. So scary. Maybe I just really did something. Maybe I just really need to trust the grip of these. There. Oh my goodness. Now that's the look I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk Medium, just in the middle. Okay, there. I usually put my boy brow when I want to have kind of sleek, clean looking brows. So for this look, I kind of want them fluffy. So I'll just put a little. I hope this will fluff them out. Oh. I want to enhance my feature using shadows. So that's what I'm trying to do here. To kind of unsoften the look. That's it. You don't owe anyone your time, your attention, or a PowerPoint presentation on why you can't attend someone's karaoke invite after work. Just say no. Say it politely, say it with sugarcoating, or say it tired.
So I don't care if you
But say it.
have to keep it going like na.
Because when you finally master the art of saying no,
You believe what I want like I wanna.
you don't lose people, you lose the nonsense. And finally, make space for what truly matters. Keep going.
Hanging on. I can solve you and you know